I'm Mitchell Cristofalusi. I live in Charlotte, North Carolina. I was on a health journey, if you will, starting back in like 2019. And I think I got introduced to C60 about 2021. Life was definitely on the right track, changing a lot of things about my daily routine. I think from an energy perspective, I found myself constantly drinking coffee after lunch, like a midday pick me up. And I think C60 sort of got rid of that need. It's been years since I've needed a coffee in the afternoon. I still drink a coffee in the morning. It's been pretty revolutionary for me. I had a friend recommend this product to me probably, several months before I ever tried it. And at the time, financial reasons, I was definitely hesitant and skeptical. It's by no means a cheap product. And I think one of the driving factors there was I listened to an interview with Ken Swartz and understood that not every product is created equal. I take right in the teaspoon portion once daily with my breakfast with water. I just spoon it directly. It does not bother me. I am very active, and I certainly notice, on days I feel fatigued. If I take it before work, and a lot more energy. I think immune function's been the biggest thing. I don't get sick very often. I think it's important to take on a daily basis. Once in a while, I'll miss it. But I would say overall, immune function, energy, endurance, I think there's so many benefits to this product. So my biggest advice to people is I'd rather you be proactive than reactive. And you got to take your health very important. And I certainly do as well.